A lot of people during the test feeling nervous and anxious and wanting to solve it quickly take a problem like this one, start solving it any way they can and end up getting it wrong. Look, someone gets this. 5 minus 3 times 4 divided by 8. The guy goes ahead and does this. 5 minus 3 is 2, then 2 times 4 divided by 8. Then he'll do this. 2 times 4 is 8, and 8 divided by 8 is 1. There will probably be this option on the test. The guy will mark down 1, he'll get it wrong, he'll get the question wrong. So pay attention to how you solve this. Look, we can't just solve it any way we want. There's an order we need to follow, the famous PEMDAS. I'll put it on the screen for you to write down, which are the order of operations. So, in this case here, we have a subtraction, a multiplication, and a division. We can't solve the subtraction before the multiplication and division, alright? First here, since multiplication and division appear in this order, we solve the multiplication first. So, I'll repeat it here. 5, 3 times 4 is 12. Since it's minus 3 times 4, that's minus 12. So, minus 12 divided by 8. Alright? Now, we have a subtraction and a division. We have to solve the division first. Alright? I have 5, I'll repeat, minus 12 divided by 8. Here, let's do it on the side here. 12 divided by 8. 12 divided by 8 is 1. 1 times 8 is 8. 12 minus 8 leaves 4. Can 4 be divided by 8? No, it can't. I'll put a decimal point in the quotient and a 0 here in the dividend. 40 divided by 8 can be done. It's 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. So 12 divided by 8 is 1.5. So 5 minus 1.5. Now, people start to get nervous, they get butterflies in their stomach because they don't know how to do calculations with decimals. Calm down, everyone. Look, 5 minus 1.5. Let's solve it here. 5 minus 1.5. Since I have 5 here, which is a whole number, I'm going to add a decimal point and a 0 so we can do this subtraction. So, 5 is the same as 5.0. Now, can you take 5 from 0? No, I'll borrow 1 from the 5, so it becomes 10 now. 10 minus 5 is 5. The 5 lent 1, so it becomes 4, so 4 minus 1 equals 3. Line up the decimal points. I have 5 minus 1.5, which is 3.5. That's right. 5 minus 1.5 is 3.5. Perfect. So, the value of this expression here, 5 minus 3 times 4 divided by 8 is 3.5. Now, is there another way to do it? Look, yes, there is. So, I'll write here 5 minus 12 over 8 as a fraction. Here, 12 over 8, okay? 12 over 8 is a fraction that we can simplify. We can simplify it by 2, we can simplify it by 4, so let's simplify it by 4 here. Simplifying this fraction by 4, it will be like this. 5 minus 12 divided by 4 is 3, so I'll put the 3 here. Over 8 divided by 4 is 2. So we have 5 minus 3 over 2. We can solve this as a mixed number. What do we do here? We multiply the denominator of the fraction by the whole number. So we're going to multiply, and then here we're going to do the subtraction. So multiplying, it will be like this. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 minus 3 equals 7. So 7 over this 2 here, which is the denominator, we keep it. So it's 7 over 2 solving this division. 7 divided by 2. Here I erased it here. Let's solve it. 7 divided by 2 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. And 1 is left over from 7. Can we divide 1 by 2? No, because it's smaller. I put a decimal point in the quotient and a 0 in the dividend. I'll keep dividing. 10 by 2 can be divided. 10 divided by 2 is 5. 5 times 2 is 10, and there's 0 left over. In other words, 7 over 2 is equal to 3.5. That's right, 3.5. See, it's the same answer we found. Got it? So, either way works. You can solve it using a decimal or using it as a fraction. Alright, if you solved it differently than I did, let me know in the comments. We've finished another explanation. If you enjoyed it, please like the video to support Professor Robson Lyers, Mathematicamente's channel. If you're not subscribed yet, consider subscribing. Share it on social media with your friends. Big hug from Professor Robson Lyers, Mathematicamente. See you in the next class.